Jungkook was coming inside the corridor, but when his eyes went on the locker, he closed his eyes, getting irritated with his fangirls who were standing there, probably waiting for him. He opened his eyes and started moving, but a small smile appeared on his face when his eyes went on his wife, who was going towards her glass hurriedly, as she was late because of Jungkook. It was Wine. Jungkook opened his locker, but then his attention went on Wine, who was moving fast but collided with Roman. Roman, the bad boy after school, who always confronts Jungkook because he have fangirls around him. Wine, I'm sorry, I was in a hurry. Roman looked at Vine with a secret smirk and looked at her up and down. He bent down along with Vine to pick up her belongings. Thanks. Vine was about to go, but before that she turned around and looked at Jungkook and gulped when she found him glaring at Roman. She went from there and Roman looked at Jungkook and went towards him. Jungkook also closed the locker and took a step towards Roman. Roman, look who we have here, the cold heart broke off the school, Jungkook, and look who we have here, the bad boy who always kept his dirty eyes on the girls like they are toys. Roman chuckled along with his friend and Jungkook gritted his teeth. Jungkook, don't cross my path again or I won't take a second to crush you. Jungkook whispered and left from there, but Roman glared at him and his anger rised when he saw all girls admiring Jungkook. He was always jealous of him because he had fine girls. He had their attention which he wanted. After the class, Jungkook was in the garden with his friends. Jimin, so today again he came to you. Why don't you shut him at once, Jungkook? And how I will do that? Tae. Jimin shrugged his shoulder, not having any words. Tae stuffed Jimin's socks in his mouth. Jungkook chuckled, but Jimin glared at Tae. Soon Jungkook's attention went on Wang, who came out of campus along with her friends. Wang also looked at him and smiled a little, but then Jungkook's attention went on Roman, who approached Wang. Roman, hey Wine, you left your notebook on the floor. Here it is. Roman gave notebook to Wine, but he touched her hand secretly, which got noticed by Jungkook. Jungkook took a step to go towards them, but Jimin held him and said, what are you doing? Stop. Jungkook, let me go. Can't you see what he is doing? Tai, don't forget that your relation is secret. Jimin and you were the one who decided to make it secret. Jungkook glared at Jimin and said, Wine also wanted this. Jimin, did she told you that? Did you ask her? Wine, thanks Roman for notebook. Roman smiled and Wine said, Roman, no problem. If you are free Can we grab coffee? Van looked at him shocked, but then she said, no, actually, I have class. I'm getting late, so bye. Saying that, Van didn't waited and left from there because she knew Jungkook was looking more specifically glaring, and she also knew what kind of a man Roman was. Jimin and asked her, you guys should disclose your relationship now because I think Roman is up to something, or else be prepared for divorce papers. Jungkook looked at Jimin being done and smacked his head, and they continued. Roman, there is something about you, Vine, which make me think about you all the time. I have to make my move, and the best thing is that I never saw you roaming near the Jungkook like other girls, and I want a girl for myself who will only be mine. I will make move tomorrow, and I'm sure you will accept it. Roman was daydreaming about Van because he thought that she don't have any affection towards Jungkook, but he didn't know about their hidden relationship and the fact that they were arranged by their parents, but after marriage they both respected each other and slowly started developing feelings. Van looked at him all tired with red eyes. He stopped and forgot about that chunk of how much is left. You seem tired. He said, being concerned for his wife. Fine, it's so hard, Jungkook. These assignments are not getting done. Look at my eyes. Jungkook, leave it and have your dinner first. Jungkook took that laptop away and put the tray in front of her. She started having her food, and Jungkook looked at the assignment. He started doing it. After all, he was her senior. Van looked at him and smiled a little because at the end, that's what he always do, helping her in his favorite thing. After 2 hours, Jungkook was done with her work. He looked up and saw her sleeping in sitting position. He smiled and shook his head. Jungkook went towards her and made her comfortable lay down on bed. He took her books and put them on the shelf. He was about to lay down, but his phone rang. He saw the caller ID and it was the conference call from Jimin and Tai. He frowned and picked it up. Hello? Tai, Jimin, why did you took us on call at this late? Jimin, cut the crap, Jungkook. Did you talk to Wang? Talk about what? Jimin, you fool, about today. What happened at university? Jungkook closed his eyes, being irritated. Jungkook, I told you not to be mine once, Dad, at the middle of the night around 2 you are thinking about me and one. Are you out of your mind? Cut the call, you idiot. Jimin, fine, then don't complain if something happened to your relationship. Don't come to me crying saying mine fell out of love or she loved Roman or she ran away with that. Before he could complete, Jungkook cut the call and went and lay down beside mine on call. Jimin, don't complain, Wang Tai. Jimin, he cut the call. Now please stop it and let us sleep. Jimin hated what the call got disconnected. Jungkook hugged Wine slowly and smiled at her. I know that Jimin is playing around. I have my trust in you, Wine, but I don't trust that Roman. I know he is up to something, but I promise I won't let him harm you in any way. Jungkook kissed her forehead and drifted in his sleep with the thought of punching Jimin tomorrow. Jimin, that was so hard. What did I even said wrong? I looked at him being done. What did you expect from him when he literally said that his wife will fall out of love and moreover that she will run away with that Roman? Jimin, I didn't said before I could say he cut the call. Shut up, look, he is coming here now. Watch your mouth. Jungkook approached Jimin with a smirk and said, does it hurt a lot? Jimin glared at him, but then their attention went on Roman, who came with his friends and started disturbing the girls. Jungkook shook his head, but then he saw Wine coming out and he noticed Roman, who stood up and went towards Wine. What does he want from now? Jungkook saw that Roman took Wine away in the corner and started saying something, and Wine was nervous and was replying, being scared of something. She was glancing at Jungkook from time to time, and that's when Jungkook took a step to go towards Wine, but Jimin held his hand. Stop, let's see first what he wants, Jungkook. Jungkook, he took my wife over there, leave me, Jimin, yes, but he don't know that she is your wife. That's why I told you to stop when Jungkook and I glared at him, but then they saw Wine going away from there with her friends, and Roman was looking at her. Soon a guy who heard what Roman said to came Wine came towards them and told them that Roman proposed Wine. Roman was confused along with his friends. What? Jimin, yes, she is our wife. Jungkook and Tae glared at him and he corrected Jungkook's wife, yeah. Suddenly Roman smirked and said, so that's why she rejected me, saying that she has someone in her life to whom she is married. Jungkook was happy deep down, but then I have to admit you are lucky to have a. Before he could complete, Jungkook threw him on Roman, and just like that, their group started fighting. Soon Mine came and saw them fighting with each other. She was shocked but confused at what was the reason. Here in University Medical Room, Tae, who was treating Jimin, said, sit straight. Why are you moving like that? Jimin, shut up. It stings a lot, you idiot. My day is all bad today. First, I got a punch from Jungkook, and now look at my face. Dad, good for you. Now sit straight. On the other hand, Wang was treating Jungkook. Put your head up. Your nose is bleeding. Look what he did to you. How badly they punched you. Jimin and Tai chuckled. Jungkook glared at them, but he groaned when Wang held his nose and upped his face. If my condition is like this, then just imagine what I have done to him. When I know that's why principal expelled you both from university. Why you did that, Jungkook? Jungkook looked at her and pulled her hand. Because I can't afford to lose you, and I know he proposed you, and but I had already rejected him. Jungkook, I know, but still, you know, why I'm not that much expressive, but still. Why smiled and said, I know, Jungkook, love is not all about hugs and kisses. Who said you are not expressive? Jungkook, the respect which you show to me, the way you take care of me, help me, and give me privacy and time, all this is your love, and I know that. Jungkook nodded and hugged her, and she did the same. Jungkook's smile was gone when he saw Jimin recording their moment. He glared at Jimin and I ran from there, and he again smiled and hugged her. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.